Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo XC90 brake lights. Turn off the car and open the trunk to access the tail light housing, then disconnect the battery for safety. Remove interior trim clips and unscrew the housing with a T20 driver, keeping screws organized. Replace the bulb or socket and test the light with a helper before reassembling everything in reverse order. Gather the right tools before starting to save time and avoid frustration. Bring replacement bulbs matched to the XC90 specification, a T20 screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and gloves. Use a soft cloth or towel to protect paint when handling the tail light housing. Keep clips and screws in a container so nothing gets lost. A helper makes testing easier and confirms brake light operation after installation. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more practical car repair videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading service manuals, diagrams, and repair how toss while you work, and it's lightweight for the garage. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. Now let's get back to the video. If a brake light still fails after replacing the bulb, stay calm and methodical. First, test the socket with a multimeter to verify voltage when the brake pedal is pressed. Inspect and clean corroded connectors or replace the socket if needed, and check related fuses for continuity. Tighten grounds and ensure the housing seals well to prevent moisture intrusion, which often causes intermittent failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.